BetterWealth app pricing explained what you get for your money. BetterWealth is an investment management platform that combines automated portfolio management with personalized financial planning. Many assume that services are expensive, but BetterWealth offers tiered, transparent pricing. The app is free to download, offering access to account setup and basic portfolio tracking. Investment management services start at 0.25% annually of assets under management which covers portfolio construction, automatic rebalancing, and tax optimization strategies. Higher tier services include personalized financial advice and more advanced planning features. Most people get this wrong by thinking robo-advisors offer generic solutions. The surprising truth is that BetterWealth combines automated efficiency with tailored advice based on your goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. The platform also integrates educational resources and goal tracking tools. For example, at zero portfolio under management would incur around per year for the base service, covering professional grade portfolio management and tax loss harvesting. Users can adjust risk levels, set financial goals, and monitor performance in real time through the app. In conclusion, BetterWealth pricing is competitive and transparent. With a base rate of 0.25%, the platform offers automated investing, tailored planning, and advanced features for investors seeking professional management without exorbitant fees.